up, guys? I've been trying to make this video all day, and now I have to go pick up my baby from daycare. And yes, it's about technical analysis. Now, you guys know that me and technical analysis, we're really good friends. You guys don't think so because I make so much content on fundamentals, and I know the title of this video is Technical Analysis is Bullshit, but there's a couple of reasons why I say that. The main reason is because the way most traders, retail traders, approach technical analysis is complete bullshit. And I have basically a really great metaphor for you guys to help you discern or to comprehend better what you mean when you say technical analysis and how technical analysis fits into the grand scheme of trading overall. And I got a couple examples I want to give you guys as well. And if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Cleveland. Happy to have you here. I've been professionally trading for now almost a decade. I've been retail trading now out of the firm that I used to work with for about 6 years. And in that institution, we thought of technical analysis like how you guys think of it, technical and fundamental. But let's not call it technical and fundamental. Let's call it price and value. And this is basically the structure that I want you guys to have for your trading for the rest of your career. There is value and there is price. Let's first talk about technical analysis or price and how you use price data to make trading decisions, because that's all what technical analysis is. It's price data. A lot of traders perceive it as market structure or indicators or oscillators or moving averages and all these other things, candlestick patterns. Get away with all of that. It is price data. It's price data over time, and it's price data in different structures. Now, what you can do with that price data is a couple of things. You can discern whether that particular asset is increasing in price. You can discern if it's decreasing in price. Let's stop there. We can all agree that that's what technical analysis is really good for. Is it consolidated? Is the market bullish or is the market bearish? Let's not go too far into the conspiracy theory of how price data can be used to predict future prices, because that's not how institutional guys think. They think with value associated with price. And you actually think that way too. For example, let's say me and you head to a used car dealership and you're looking at a BMW 3 Series and the ticket price on it is $20,000. That's the price. We now have to ask ourselves or discern what's the value. Because last thing we want if we go to a used car dealership is to buy something that's not worth its price, that's not valued at what it's priced at. The only way we're gonna know intrinsically the value of that car is, one, hopefully we bring a buddy with us that helps us inspect it and knows cars, or two, maybe you are an informed buyer and you know cars, but right there, you're smart money. You understand why that particular asset is priced where it's at. Value is associated with price. They're intertwined. You can't take them apart. They're like peanut butter and jelly. They're like the birds and the bees. They're like Forex Instagram gurus and obsessions with cars. They can't exist without each other. So saying that, the most practical approach then would be to make sure that how you look at it isn't in isolation. And the people that just go straight up, I trade technicals, in life, you never just look at price. In life, you have to be smart about the decisions you're making when you're buying and selling anything. And smart, as it's defined in trading, is being a well-informed individual in the capital markets, right? And so that's the example I wanted to give you guys, this on the euro, where you actually have the euro selling off this year over 700 pips. That didn't happen in isolation with just price action and structure. That happened because the perceived value of the euro fell. The perceived value fell because of what Putin was doing in Ukraine, right? We hope that comes to a resolution, of course. But what that caused was overall general market consensus from the smart money. It caused them to say, hey, look, this is a bad time to have investments in the European conglomerate, in the European area, okay? And so we started to see euro sells. And that was where price followed, okay? And that's where you got euro sell opportunities, all right? That's the core thing that I wanted to express to you guys today, that technical analysis is super valid and very important. But by itself, it's meaningless. Just like fundamentals by itself is technically meaningless. You're just then having conversation about what's happening in the world, and you're an economist and you're no more than that. To be a trader and to be an investor, when you combine the two, that's when you are very powerful, all right? And so I just want that to resonate with you guys. The combination between value and price is where you have your advantage, and if that makes sense to you, then make sure you guys like the video, okay? I'll very much appreciate it. All right, so if you guys want a little bit more about trading fundamentals, make sure you guys click the link in the bio. We have a fundamental university. I gotta go pick up my little baby girl. I will talk to you guys very soon. Sometimes time can fly when you're in markets, or when you're doing your job, when you're in business. And that's definitely what happened today. I can't believe it's already 5 o'clock. Yesterday, if you guys didn't see, we posted a video how we made 10K trading fundamentals. That was that Australian dollar position where we were basically selling the Aussie and buying up the USD. It's just crazy how unprecedented the price action is. I've been trading NFX, at least publicly on YouTube, for 7 years, and we've never seen a price move this substantial on the US dollar, even on the Japanese yen. This is the single largest sell side move we've seen on the currency in quite a long time. So everything that's happening right now at Forex is definitely record breaking. And that's why it's crazy that, sometimes you wait for an asset class to have its moment, and right now in FX, this is it. People can talk about how, maybe Forex isn't the most, profitable asset class, or, maybe how you should trade stocks. Regardless of all of that, the asset class that has had the single largest price moves, okay, that is accessible to the average person, okay, is the currency markets right now. So this has been the year to trade FX, right? Maybe it wasn't last year, maybe it wasn't the year before, but this year unequivocally was the year of currency price action. And of course it's because we see rampant inflation, and it just deals with the money. It's just awesome, I guess, how, or maybe not so awesome, but how in general, the actual global economic system, the thing that really mattered the most in 2022 was the currencies that dominate the largest economies on the planet, and how those currencies have basically depleted in value or soared in value, right? So that's where all the attention is. That's where you guys should pay attention as well. I'm about to go pick up my little pup here. We just got to her daycare. I got my baby. I got my little honey. What's up, boo? Huh? She was sleeping in daycare today. Have you guys seen my little superstar in a while? I don't think so. They haven't seen you, huh? A little head shake. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I'm gonna have an amazing one for sure. Make sure you guys like and subscribe as well. That'd be very much appreciated. Peace out, guys.